propagator is an enclosed space in which seeds germinate, perfect for starting plants off in the season early. The basic design for a propagator is that of a tray with a removable transparent hood or lid, but propagators can also have heating units, enabling them to be kept at constant temperature for your seeds. So here we have our propagator, which has a lid with two vents that open and shut. Inside we have matting, and it also has the base that has the heating elements. So we dump the capillary matting and we place it onto the base. As so. So fill up your pots with just normal multi-purpose compost and a bit of perlite added into it. Give it a water. Give it a good soak. And then add the seeds. So today we're going to sow tomato Allotment. So January, February, March, April. So I've got a little pot with some normal multi-purpose compost with some perlite. So just get the seeds out. Put a few seeds in there. We're just going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, about 10, 9, 10 seeds. And then we're going to cover it up with some soil. And there we go. First one on the list. That's tomato Allotment. So let's get a label and give it a water. And there we go, the first of the propagator sowing. So write the label. So we've got Allotment, tomato, and the date, and then we stick it in the pot. Allotment. First one done. If the normal multi-purpose compost has got too big leaves, twigs, then give it a sieve. and pull it through a sieve. Knock out the old big bits, leave a finer substance. So the next one we're doing is the peppers hot chili shake. So put the peppers in the pot. And I'll just cover them over with some more compost. And I will write the label. Pepper chili shake, and stick it in. So there we go, we've got two. So I shall continue. What we're also going to do today is going to do some hot Thai chili. We're going to do chili pepper. We're also going to do some melon, green nutmeg. These I got from Cardiff show, and this is tiger melons. And this is comfrey. I'm not sure about comfrey. That's dahlias. We've got tigerella, but we've done tigerella as a single seed challenge. But I might just do some separately. We've got tomato cherry fours. We've got tomato red cherry. And then the final one is tomato Alicante, which we did really good last year. So let's get these in the pots. So this is all that we've got done tonight, with help from my assistant. So we've got Alicante tomatoes, we've got peppers chili, tomato Alicante, peppers mixed sweet, melon green nutmeg, melon striped tiger, tomato red cherry, tomato red cherry, chili pepper and pepper hot Thai, and some dahlia sweet yam, and some fuchsias to finish off. There we go. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe if you're not subscribed, ring the bell and get notifications when I post them all. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good week. Thank you.